Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do something that was skincare related. You know, we're at home, might as well do a little, self-care, skincare routine. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below. Make sure you like this video. Also hit that post notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload, because as I said before, I'm home. I'm going to be uploading a boatload. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. Alright, so as you can tell, my hair is wet. It's up in my top knot. I am just, hanging out at home today. And I wanted to do something, I feel it's not as widely talked about. I mean, I think that it should be talked about. I mean, I tell everybody. And that is shaving your face or dermaplaning. I first saw dermaplaning happen on Instagram maybe 2 or so years ago, and I was kind of like, what is going on? And I did research, and I was like, oh, it's basically a way of shaving off the little peach fuzzies off of your face, as well as getting rid of any dead skin that is on your face. It's like a really nice deep exfoliation of your face. Now, I don't dermaplane every single week. I only dermaplane maybe honestly once a month, because I find that if I do it too frequently, every other week, it does tend to dry my skin out, because you are taking off just that dead skin that is on your face along with your peach fuzz. What I have noticed is if I dermaplane at night, and my skincare, oh my goodness, does my skincare soak into my skin. It's like my skin is getting the biggest gulp of hydration and moisture ever. Also, when I dermaplane, my makeup looks incredible. My skin makeup, my base, oh my gosh, it is amazing. So I wanted to share my little secret. I bought this at Ulta. These are just the Ulta brand. They come in a 3-pack. I know they have the twinkle razors that you can buy on Amazon. I'll link those down below. I'll also link these razors down below. These are the razors I've always used. I really like them. I use this maybe about 3 times, and then I toss it. So in a pack of 3, I get about 9 uses. And like I said, I only dermaplane maybe twice a month, once a month, and so my razors tend to last me a while. Now, for dermaplaning, you're going to do it based off of how hairy you are. So I do not touch my forehead. I really go from about here where I put my highlighter to just a touch under my neck. I make sure I really do my upper lip. I'm a weirdo. Hair around the lips, I'm just so I get that, I get rid of that, and then really it's just my cheeks. I have fairly, fuzzy, I'm a hairy individual, so my face has some fluffs on it. So it's really easy. I'm going to show you how I dermaplane on my left side, and then I'm going to speed through on my right side. So I always start from my top, so basically right where my cheekbone is, and then I like to work my way down. Now with dermaplaning, you want to make sure that you're not doing long, harsh strokes. That's going to irritate your skin, and also it could lead to you possibly nicking yourself. I nicked myself the last time I did this because I was rushing because crew was running around, and I actually nicked myself right above my lip, and you couldn't see it, but if I put chapstick on, it burned. So it was not pleasant. So you're going to just take, I'm going to get nice and up close and personal. So you're going to take, and oh, don't mind my terrible nails. Corey's downstairs blowing the backyard. Soaks. It's been raining and crazy here. So anyways, if you hear that, it's the blower. Don't mind my nails. My gel's shipping off. It is what it is. So I'm going to take my skin, I'm going to pull it just taut, and I'm going to take I'm going to take the edge, I'm going to just lay my razor, not like this, I'm going to lay it at an angle, and I'm going to just do the slightest of strokes. And you'll be able to see that dang blower. You'll be able to see the peach fuzz. See that little bits of fuzzies I just got off? And I'm just going to repeat. Now, one thing I do is I like to go at the angle along my cheekbone because my hair does grow in that direction. And I just... Now you'll notice I'm not pulling hard. I'm barely applying. Also, I'm holding my tool at the very back and I'm resting it on my colorful finger. Let's just call it that one. And it's more just, and my pinky is up. And I'm just going along my cheek. Now I'm going to pull where I just dermaplaned. Also, make sure that your hands are clean. I just washed my hands with warm water and hand soap before I did this. So, because you are going to be touching your face, you don't want to get any gunk that might be on your fingers under your face. And you're just going to go like so. Now, I've been dermaplaning for a while, so I can actually do this fairly quickly. So you'll see when I speed through just how quick. And like I said, now, for around your lips, this is the trick. You're going to go like this. And see that peach fuzz that just fell off? And see, look at all that gunk. It's disgustingly satisfying because when you see it, like, yes, the skin cells are leaving. And you'll see versus this side. Ooh! So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my other side. I'm going to speed on through. So now for my final, well, not final step, but final step in the dermaplaning process, I take a cotton round and I put warm water on it, or you can take like a micellar water, and I'm just going to wipe in a downwards motion and just get any of those little leftover peach fuzzes that are just chilling on your face. Now, you're going to notice that my cheeks are fairly pink. For me, anytime I dermaplane, my cheeks do get more on the pink side because you have just exfoliated the skin. And one thing I forgot to mention at the beginning is I dermaplane after I exfoliate my skin in the shower. So I can already try to get a good amount of the dead skin off in the shower, and then I dermaplane. So now I went ahead, I'm going to just let this dry, and now hold on. I'm going to go in with my skincare. So to start, I'm going to go in with the Pure Miracle Mist. I'm obviously basically gone. This is my like toner. I'm just going to let that dry. Now, if you have a toner that has alcohol in it, it's going to sting your face. Your face it's going to feel almost like an aftershave. So this does not have alcohol in it, so it does not sting my face. Next, I'm going to go in my skincare. I am like out of almost everything, so I have to like place an order because stores are closed. I'm going to go with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. I'm going to do like a good amount of pumps of that, like 4. And I'm going to just apply. I'm also putting this directly under my eyes because unfortunately I am all out of my under eye cream. I ran out last night. I thought I had enough. Always remember, bring your skincare down onto your neck, onto your décolleté, because a woman always ages first, the back of her hands and her neck. Unfortunately, but it is what it is. I'm just, I just press it into my skin. You guys all know I like to press all my skincare into my skin. Now I'm going to go in, let me grab it, with my CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I've been using this lotion, gosh, 2 years. And it is fragrance free. It is, let's see, it moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier. It's for normal to dry skin. This is, it's lightweight, oil-free, hyaluronic acid, fragrance-free, gentle on the skin, hyperallergenic, and non-irritating. I stand by all of those claims. This is the only drugstore, like, face lotion that really has never broken me out. Same thing, and then go up. I always just massage my moisturizer, and I apply a good amount of pressure when I massage it, and it looks like I'm just make sure you get under the eyes. Look at that movement. Ugh, I'm so over that movement, it's not even funny. Once this whole self-quarantine, stay-at-home business is over with, your girl's gonna go get that done. Next, I'm gonna go on, this is my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate. This is a revitalizing blend of ginger root, sunflower, and tamarind oils to help correct the visible appearance of skin fatigue. I've not been sleeping very well. You know, I just have a lot on my mind and whatnot. And so I can tell my skin's looking a little dry, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 drops of that. This right between my hands. I'm just going to press into my skin. Don't forget, down onto your neck. And really get moisturized and get that into my eyebrows, because I have thin eyebrows, and if your eyebrows are moisturized, it helps promote hair growth. Little helpful hint of the day. So yeah, that is my how I shave my face, dermaplaning, how to, all the steps, all the goodies I use. I hope you all found this video, you know, useful. And if you try dermaplaning at home, just remember, go slow. Slow and steady wins the race. And exfoliate beforehand. Warm water on a cotton round or micellar water to get the little leftover peach fuzzies off your face. And always press your skincare. Never swipe your skincare unless you're doing your moisturizer, then massage. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and I would love to hear what you all do for your skincare. If you've tried dermaplaning, does it work for you? Has it not worked for you? You know, all of your tips and tricks, leave them down in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!